Liquor is 2.62 crores. Drugs is 33.25 crores. Precious metals means gold, bullion, etc. is 91 lakhs. Freebies is 28.69 crores. And total comes to 74.18 crores. I won't say violence, but definitely the noise has increased. The number of campaigns, the intensity of the campaigns, the aggression in the campaigns, that maybe has increased, but not violence per se. Not violence per se, but maybe in terms of the velocity, in terms of the aggression, the intensity, that seems to have increased because we have more players now. Back in 2018, we did not have that many political actors, but now in the present election, we have many more political actors. So that's why there is much more noise, more star campaigners, more intensity, more velocity.